whoa. Hold up. Okay. Now down. Question. These your straps? Okay, because when we set it down on here, it's going to be on the. It's stuck on the. Okay.
Hello, Rob G here, working on the T-28s again. So this one here in the middle is the blue one that came out of California that I'm repairing. It was bellied into a sod field when it ran out of fuel. So I just got back from Texas, bought me a nice set of wing jacks, nose jack, and I bought a T-28 project. So this fuselage is going to be the donor for the parts to fix the blue plane. So we should have all the engine cowlings that we need now, and the lower jaw, which is the nose gear box and the oil cooler outlet here. So this fuselage is a B model. Its history was in the early 70s, 74 or something. It was in Thailand. They used it for pilot training there. And anyhow, they had several of these at an auction. Previous video shows the auction and the other airframes, and I looked at all of them, and this was the best one as far as I could see, as far as the structure. So I was really tickled to pick this up. So I got the whole airframe minus the engine and propeller. And anyhow, I'll be taking these pieces out to put on the blue one here. There's the nose gear out of the blue one. And so I've got most of the bad parts off of this now, and it looks like everything I need is sitting right here, so I guess I better get to it. Thanks.